Hello, welcome to HujiProductions, and today we're going to start up, or try and start up, the SAAB 9000. I've put a old battery on it because the other battery was dead, and it's a bit tiny, but it has got the go handle. Let's see how it goes. So we're in the SAAB 9000. I've just stuck a very old battery on it. This has not been started in far too long, and we're going to see what it does. We've got some lights. Let's kill the AC. We don't need that dragging it. We've got not a lot of volts. Oh my goodness, they really are very good, these SAABs. Crikey, I am absolutely gobsmacked. Wow. So I know the alternator doesn't work at the moment. We're now down at 8.7 volts. Well, at least the reading on the dashboard is. And she's still ticking over, nearly up to temperature. I really need to get the work done on this car and get it back on the road. It's such fun to drive. Look, it's got one of those. Yeah, I really need to get this project going, don't I? Those pesky spiders, they love a door mirror.